Looking back on it, I have actually learned a lot this semester. I know my teacher didn't want to hear that it just got better, but my writing actually did. I realized some of the stuff I was good at. Just like an overall perspective of my final portfolio, I realized that I'm really good at adding descriptive words into my writing, and it's also very helpful for me to use more pedantic words, like use a thesaurus at the end. And I figured out that my original drafts suck, but my revision is like the key where I can get better at it. And I had a lot of fun doing these projects, especially the ethnography. And the genre project was another one of my favorites. And the midterm reflection was probably one of my least favorites just because I'm not as good of a reflector as I am opening up stuff. But I definitely enjoyed writing into the day. Those really helped me a lot, and especially the ones where we didn't have any guidelines, because then I could make up like any of my stuff. And that's how I become a better writer. And as I showed you at the beginning, my daybook is full of stuff, and it still is. And I even wrote in this several times when I was just by myself. So it's definitely came in handy this semester. And I've taken several things from this class that I hope to take in the near future for my next papers, like the comments from the workshops. And the workshops were one of my favorite things that didn't change over the course of the semester. And overall, I enjoyed it a lot, and I did learn a lot of things. And my long-term goal is to keep my vocabulary increasing so I can be smarter and graduate from college. Thanks. Go English.